Sherri French of Mom Hint joins us now with gifts and activities for kids of all ages. We're going to start off with toys.
Yes. Have you started shopping?
No.
Okay, I'm done.
Really?
I'm done.
Good for you.
I have been, I'll be honest, a regular at Canadian Tire over the last 3 weeks. So much that the checkout ladies know me.
They know you.
Because I'm hitting every department. But the toys I've already bought for my niece and nephew. We know Canadian Tire, Canada's Christmas store. But it doesn't matter what your budget is, what style you're looking for, you know, what the price point, what age. They've got sporting stuff, they've got Legos, they've got toys, everybody covered. So I've already bought for my niece and nephew.
Okay.
So Jack is the sporty one. He did not give me a list, so this is what he's getting. First, the Wilson NBA All-Team Retro Classic Basketball. He actually has a basketball net out front of the house. He'll love that. And the Matrix Pickleball set down below. Maybe play with his sister Annie, potentially no. Now Annie was very direct, gave me the list. The Lego Botanicals Happy Plants and this amazing Gabby's Meow-mazing dollhouse. So
I love that.
So many great toys there. Also the Christmas decorations.
Because
nice,
it's a
right?
cat.
Yes, yes, you could get this.
I love
Head to your local Canadian Tire or shop online. Do it now, be done like me.
Okay. Be like Sherri.
Be like me.
Okay, this is something, so Bathorium is a huge Canadian company.
Yes.
I love them. I love their products.
And their story is amazing. So you're looking for a gift for maybe a newborn, toddler, or expectant mom. Not always easy to do. So I've got the Little Charlie, my first bath ritual gift set from Bathorium. Just named to Oprah's favorite things list for 2025. So what's great about it, it's a complete set that is soap free, and it gives that baby that bath ritual every night. Such an important time. I know when my girls were little, we always got into that, you know, system and the rhythm of the bath, but it's great for toddlers or newborns with eczema, eczema.
I say it eczema.
I'm saying
I have
eczema, prone skin. It's dermatologist approved.
Can we just open it up to show how beautiful this is?
So the box, again, the gift set, the actual delivery of this box, it's got this story up here. It's also got the bath soak, it's got the bath milk, the sponge, as well as this bamboo scoop. But you can document this with your child on the box here. I love that it's toxin free. Head to bathorium.com. Get it now, because it's on that Oprah list.
Yes.
They'll be gone. So yeah, get shopping now.
Okay, and you've got some little neat tricks to try here, especially if you don't, what do you do if you don't have a chimney?
Right? I was lucky I had a fireplace, so I knew Santa was coming down. I've got a great hack. You're gonna find an old key. It can be a blank key, it can be a key, as long as it's not to your front door.
No.
Do not use your front door key. You're going to grab some red nail polish, you're going to paint the key, and then you're gonna add any kind of ribbon through that hole, and then go and hang it on your front door so Santa can get in on Christmas Eve.
Okay, but do not leave it if it's a real front door key.
No, no. Oh, so this actually I think is from my husband's office in Germany. He felt we were good to use to leave this for Santa, so super fun.
I like that idea. And you're gonna make snow.
Yeah, so if you've got your kids in and there is no snow, a fun way to make snow, I've already made it, you're going to take some baking soda. You're going to go into Dad's cupboard and get some shaving cream, and then we're gonna mix it together. You can see it all. But it gives the consistency of snow. I would put out maybe a cookie sheet or some wax paper on the table.
Okay.
And the kids can make snowballs.
That's so cool. And what's the ratio of like baking soda to shaving cream?
Wing it. Wing it. Oh, really? Wing it. Wing it. So I know I need some more shaving cream. But no, I'm going to say if you want to make a bigger batch, because I made a small batch today, and I was winging it, so about a cup to a cup. But you can see how it gets that consistency of snow.
And how long does that last?
Put it in your fridge, days.
Okay.
I've done it with my niece and nephew. It will last for days.
Real snow.
But again,
and you
keep
don't
your
have
kids
to shovel
busy.
it.
And we don't have to. Just it's messy. That's the only thing.
All right, you've got so many great tips on your social sites, so we'll get that up on our website at chch.com. Always awesome to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me. Merry, merry, everybody. It's time.
She's ready.
I'm ready.